Welcome to ProKitchen University, an online video tutorial series, version 11. This video is part of the Mac Native Interface series for Mac users only. This video is an instructional overview of the Mac Native Switch SKU feature. There are times when creating bids for the customer when it is necessary to provide a price comparison between two or more cabinet catalogs. In the past, this has been a lengthy process, either due to the need to redraft the design in the new cabinet catalog, or by keying in the cabinets manually within the manufacturer's website or order entry form. ProKitchen software has made this task quicker and easier with the Switch SKU tool. This tool will allow you to create a carbon copy of your design in a new manufacturer cabinet catalog with minimal work, saving you precious time. I will use this kitchen design for demonstration purposes. The ProKitchen catalog was used for an in-house built design, but the customer wants to compare costs with debut cabinetry. Instead of drafting the same configuration in the debut catalog on a separate design file, we can use the Switch SKU feature to get the quote in the new manufacturer catalog relatively quickly. The Switch SKU tool can be found in one of two locations. Either navigate to and select the Edit Category tab at the top of the ProKitchen window, where the Switch SKU tool will be found at the bottom of the drop-down menu. Or locate the Switch SKU icon that appears as two rectangles, one white and one blue, with two opposing arrows, located on the left toolbar approximately 2/3 of the way down. When selected, a small dialog box will appear asking if you would like to replace the items. Click Yes to proceed. Then, an additional dialog box will appear containing all your computer files. This is so you may save the original design in the original catalog as a copy. It is recommended that you take a moment to rename the file in such a way that you know this copy is built in the original catalog. So I will navigate to the file name field at the top and enter the design name with ProKitchen as an identifier of the catalog used. Remember, when naming design files, it is good practice to use alpha, numeric, and period characters only to avoid possible file corruption or problems with autosave, backup, and cloud storage. After renaming the design file copy, click the Save button. ProKitchen software will then take a moment to save the newly named copy of the design locally to your device. Also important to note is when it is necessary to access this copied design with the original cabinet catalog, it must be initially opened from computer and will need to be saved with the Save icon to appear in your cloud storage. Once saved, a new dialog box will appear. Here, the first task you need to complete is to specify the source and destination catalogs. Source being the original catalog used for this design, and destination being the new catalog that you wish to price this layout in. Click the appropriate drop-down menu. Scroll to locate the desired catalog, and click to select. Repeat the process for the secondary option. After both the source and destination catalogs have been determined, the software will automatically replace items that are an exact description or SKU match. In the dialog box, you will see the original cabinet nomenclature to the left and the new cabinet catalog nomenclature to the right. If ProKitchen software was unable to find an exact match of the description or nomenclature for the object, the word Select will be to the right and indicates that the item needs to be replaced manually. To replace the item manually, navigate to and click the Replace button. This action will launch the Replace dialog box. At the top left of the dialog box, you may search for the item by SKU or description by typing in the search field, then clicking the Find button. Any matching items will then appear in the panel below. Or You may search the New Catalog's catalog tree found in the center panel to the right. Navigate through the folders here until items appear in the panel below. Then, scroll through the options to find the best match. When you select an item, to highlight it in blue, an image of the item will appear in the preview panel above. To confirm the selected item, click the Find button. If there are multiples of the same SKU, when you replace one, ProKitchen will replace all duplicate items simultaneously. Continue this process for all items that need to be replaced manually. When you have finished swapping out the remaining items, click the OK button at the bottom right corner of the dialog box to apply. Remember to navigate to and select the floppy disk Save icon. When the Cloud Storage dialog box appears, make certain that you alter the name of the design so that you know which catalog this design file is built in. If there was more than one catalog used in the original design, you will need to repeat the Switch SKU process for the remaining original catalogs. From here, the only remaining actions you need to take prior to creating a manufacturer or customer report are to set the global options for all new cabinet catalogs used in this new Switch catalog design, and drag and drop any non-plan items to the bill of materials. For more information regarding setting global options or creating a multicolor or multi-style design, please visit the Global Options or Multicolor Design video tutorials. With the ProKitchen software Switch SKU tool, creating carbon copies of your design in a different cabinet catalog is faster and easier than ever. Thank you for visiting ProKitchen University. Be sure to visit us at prokitchensoftware.com.